what has happened on the platform, if anything, as a result of the sentiment around this hack?
I think overall it was a fairly limited hack in terms of the number of customers impacted, and so we haven't seen a ton of changes in sentiment. We did see some deposit happening on the platform. Hard to know if it's linked to the special code wallet or not, but we are seeing more influx also in the ETF for Bitcoin, for example.
Yeah, so the same thing that we were talking about with Matt Hogan just now. So maybe an uptick in people actually buying these spot Bitcoin ETFs because they think that's a better way to hold this asset?
I think the ETF has many advantages, some that you just mentioned previously with Bitwise, but there is also a lot of customers that are wanting to hold all the assets on the platform, on the Robinhood Crypto, for example, where they have the same usability, ease of buying, selling, transfer of the crypto asset out of the platform. And we don't charge any fee for custody, for example, or anything like this. So we see a lot of customers thinking about how to maintain their crypto asset. The cold wallet situation does mean that you need to think about your custody system. You need to upgrade it. You need to make sure that it's up to date with the latest, and with the advance in quantum technologies and other type of hack like we've seen, it's important for people to understand that self-custody does not mean you have nothing to do. It means that you have to keep up to date with everything going on in the market. So I think a platform like Robinhood Crypto is a very easy solution for a lot of people, where they can get all this ease of access and at the same time transfer out to their custody or to their own Web3 wallet when they want to.
That's a great point. Like, self-custody does not mean you have nothing to do. Johann, Robinhood is expanding crypto internationally very aggressively. I think you have users in more than 100 countries. Is crypto becoming the main way Robinhood plans to enter markets around the world?
I wouldn't say it's the main way. We are still getting licenses in places and launching crypto and brokerage services the traditional way. So, for example, yesterday we launched in the UK crypto on our central main application. And so UK customer can now buy options, equities, futures, and also crypto all in one application. So I think, we're still looking at offering this easy to access platform to everyone when possible. But we also think that crypto can allow Robinhood to grow internationally in more countries than they will do if it was with getting a license everywhere. So we have launched our Robinhood wallet in 120 plus countries. Customer can trade stock tokens, for example, there and get US exposure to US stocks and ETF. And we think it's a great way for people that don't necessarily have an easy access brokerage or very high fee brokerage solution to actually be able to trade asset 24/7.
And I know that Robinhood has made a big bet on AI-powered trading, and you already have thousands of users. Talk to us about how comfortable you are with giving AI more control over actual trading decisions. I mean, how does that work with your clients, and also especially in a market as volatile as crypto?
Well, for us, it's really important to give accessibility to our customer, and a lot of our customers have been asking for access to APIs, access to MCPs, being able to plug their agent into our system. And so for us, it was really important to make it available and make sure that they have the guardrails and control in place to control what their agents will do. So the customer is responsible for the agent. They are the one enabling the strategy on their side, but on the Robinhood side, they have access to tens of controls to limit the amount of money that the agent can access or the type of order that they can place. We think it's really important, and we not only build it on the centralized platform, but we also made sure that it was available on the Robinhood chain, where we have skills that are for the wallets or for trading on DEXs that any agent can use and interact with.